Jay in the building. What you got going on?
Well, I'm about to take out this bumper. I was gonna end up getting the Blitz.
Oh, you getting the Blitz?
The Blitz, bro.
So Q60 and for a Blitz bumper. Shit finna look smooth. We got, hold up, Slicky boy right here. We got Angel in the other car. What you doing with this one?
We're doing carbon fiber fenders, V2 fenders.
V2 fenders?
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah. So this car got like a half wrap, as you can see. So yeah, bumper, fenders. Pretty busy Friday over here. And I heard it is Veterans Day, but you know.
Not for us, not for us.
Not for us, we working. I didn't get to really vlog it, but we have this car right here. Full carbon front end. We have an M-style hood with our V3 fenders. And this is our Impulse bumper. But this car's pretty clean. He's on bead locks in the back. Fast boy. He put everything on himself, and he came to us to make some final adjustments to make every fitment good. So you can see the line good, the door, fix the bumper, the little corner pieces all lined up. But yeah, we saved this car. Fitment wasn't the best, but you feel me? Southbay, we know everything. We install everything, so come to us, it's way better.
Such a boy. Ah, yeah.
Got him for you.
Bumpers off on this one. What he got under the hood?
Took me like 2 minutes, bro.
What he got under the hood for?
You got a little intakes. I see you, intakes.
Intake.
You got any blow-up valves? Nah, you didn't put them on. You don't got them in yet?
Car is wrapped though, right?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. Clean.
Front end, it's completely out.
Everything out.
Fenders
Bumper,
are out.
fenders out.
Bumpers down. Make sure to tip off the sides, you know, so we won't scrape the doors.
Boom. This is what we're putting on today.
Some light,
This is the
some
V2s.
light.
Different from the V3s, they got smaller vents. That's pretty much the only difference. Clean.
Damn, this is hard. So yeah, right now we're drilling the holes bigger. We're drilling the holes bigger for the fitment, and we're gonna transfer whatever, like it's OEM brackets. Look, this in the bottom.
These are the clips you need to take to screw in back the rocker panel.
But yeah,
Taking off OEM hardware. Which ones? That one right
These
there?
are the bracket that go to the bumper.
I'm gonna take that one off. How you take it off?
1 second.
2 clips?
So you have this. You gotta take out 10mm big bolt. Take out the clip, squeeze the back. But it's having a hard time. I couldn't take it out. Maybe some bean ties or something.
But yeah, there's that piece, and then there's 2 little tabs. Let me show you. Where the tabs out on this one? On these ones out. Yeah, boy. That's how you feel, fool?
yeah. I'm so excited to see how they're gonna come out.
First fender, driver fender, put on. Bottom bolt.
We might have to lift it up a little more.
You think so?
Yeah.
Tape the edge. So don't fuck up your paint or wrap for this case.
Yeah. We have to go higher.
Oh, right there or more?
Hey, fool, how's the fitment, fool?
Look, come check it out. Come check it out.
Check it out. Check
Oh,
it out.
you record?
Yeah.
Let me show. Come check it out.
Grave or what?
Shit, grave as fuck. Wait, get that shit, Jay?
Fitment check on the hood, fool?
Look at this film, bro. You like it or no?
You good, huh?
No, no.
Uh,
I don't like it, man.
It's not valid, bro. Whenever you got people that pull up with no tabs.
Keep in mind, this hood is not ours. This ain't our hood. Whatever measurements these are, don't compare with ours. So yeah, got adjusted still. I mean, fenders are on the car, but not fully like perfect. Adjusting that side, you gotta adjust with this. We gotta make it work with this headlight right here. He has no tabs, and this thing just, look, it just moves. So, you gonna make it work, right?
We always make it work.
Yeah, we always make it work. What can we do?
Southbay installers right here.
Fucking feeding and shit.
Look at that, look at that.
Fitment.
God damn.
This shit, hey.
That shit got torque.
New? Valid. Only about $600.
Oh yeah, that new, that long thing.
We're like the little kids with the new.
That's it?
Oh shit.
That's it? That's it?
We're like the,
This is like a
the little kids with a new toy, huh?
Uh-huh.
Change of plans. with this Q60 right here. Or not change of plans, new stuff on top. We are also adding fenders on it. They're in the process of taking off the fenders right now, stock ones. And yeah, we'll see how that goes.
Go, let go.
There you go. Adding the final stuff. Car came in with that falling off, so we're doing the favor of self-tappering it. But car's basically done. Fenders is on this side too. But yeah, this car check. We're still doing the bumper and fenders on this one, so stay tuned. Working on the bumper right now. We put the OEM grill on it. But I put on the fog lights and the clear sequentials. And for the fenders, we got them right here.
That's really big.
Final touches, nut and bolt. Huh, Jay?
No, that's because this guy had broken tabs, so I was talking about
you see
bed.
right there, huh? So we're trying to save this car, you know, make it look. How long it takes you to put on fenders, fool?
Nah, we're an hour and a half.
Hour and a half. Overtime?
Probably.
We got the passenger side on. Good fitment, fool?
I like it.
You like it?
I like it. I like it a lot.
That one check. Driver, you got it, fool?
Got the next one, bro.
On the other hand, Jay managed to save this. All the tabs on these were all messed up, but he did a little, I don't know if you can see it. He just put a nut and bolt so it holds in place. So yeah, fenders, hood, another fender, all good to go for this one. That's the last time you'll see this car. Q50, check that off the list. That Q left finally. Now it's left to this guy. Ready for that bumper?
Yeah, we just gotta.
Bumper and he's good to go, bro.
So yeah, fenders are good. Peep the fenders. Perfect fitment. Perfect
Okay,
fitment.
hell yeah.
Valid.
You guys will see the fitment after.
Alright, you just gotta drill the holes on the bumper. I think it's done, huh?
You gotta wire the LED sequential.
Oh yeah, because we put some clear sequentials on it. There's Mando for every carbon bumper. Usually our hours are 5. We came overtime, huh?
We've done overtime, so.
Man, overtime for this guy. Funny enough, this fool only came for a pickup.
Oh yeah, he only came for a pickup for emblem
And some paddles.
shifters.
And here he is, fucking
He ended up getting
a full carbon front end.
Yes, sir.
As you can see right there, paddles. But it is a red sport though, so red guts. That shit hard. We got the RGB sequentials. All wired up. All wired up. Who wired it though? Alright, no comment.
Papi AB.
Ah, perro. Everything's all prepped up. Time to slap that motherfucker on.
Oh yeah, baby.
Oh yeah?
The bracket?
Ajá. ¿Los quitamos? ¿O sí se creo que está bien?
So we got the top brackets. Good fitment. That side. Now we're gonna do the side ones. Little nut and bolt.
Little nut and bolt.
Little nut and bolt.
Little nut and bolt.
What's funny, fool?
Chill out, fool.
Damn, those RGBs looking real good. All controlled through a Bluetooth app?
Same app as your RGB sequentials.
You heard them. Yeah. About to put that bolt on. Final touches and then the under of the car, no?
Yeah.
There you go. There's the owner right here. This is my boy. How you like it, fool? Man, new car. This only came for a pickup and got a whole new car.
Hey, he always does this to me. Always. Last time I came for a pickup and I got a hood. Now I came back for another pickup.
Man.
Brand new car.
Brand new car. Whole carbon front end, top to bottom. Full carbon front end. How you like it, bro?
Hey man, this shit's clean as fuck.
1 to 10.
11.
There you go. You heard it. Fenders, hood, front bumper,
Hey, hold on, let me see.
RGB sequentials. We're gonna give it a full wipe down before I take some photos. But yeah, man, clean as.
Yeah man.
Car is wiped down now. About to take some photos. Check us out on Instagram. But yeah, man, here's the complete build. Stay tuned for more. See you, deuces.